Hello kids, welcome back again. Students, in our last video, we have learnt about formation of number 1, right? So today, in this video, we are going to learn about number 2, that is formation of number 2, okay? Okay students, get your finger out like this, 1 finger. Now let's recall how to write number 1. So what will you do? You will start at the top and going straight down. This is number 1. Yes students? Okay students, now get your 2 fingers out. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes, this is 2 fingers. So today we are going to learn about number 2. Okay students, now let's learn how to write number 2. Okay?
So students, first you will make a curve. Make a curve like this. Then go to the down. Come down. Yes. Very good. And then make a sleeping line. Sleeping line. Very good. So this is your number 2.
Students, this is number 2. This is number 2. Now, let's learn how to write number 2. Okay, students? So, students, first, what will you do? You will make a curve. Make a curve. Going to the down and make a sleeping line. This is number 2. Once again, let's write number 2. Make a curve, go to the down and make a sleeping line. This is number 2. What is this? This is number 2. Okay students? Okay students, now let's practice to write number 2. Yes. First, make a curve. Go to the down and make a sleeping line. 2. Once again, write. Make a curve. Go to the down and make a sleeping line. 2. It's a number 2. Again. Make a curve. Go to the down and make a sleeping line. 2. Again, make a curve, go to the down and make a sleeping line. 2. One more time. Make a curve, go to the down and make a sleeping line. 2. So, this is number 2. This is the way you have to write number 2. And students, you will write inside the box. Okay? Students, number 2 has a word that is T-W-O. 2. Say it again. T-W-O. 2. That's a word 2. Okay? Yes. Students, now you learn how to write number 2. Now let's try and count to the 2. Okay, now let's count to the 2 apples. Count. 1, 2. 2 apples. Now let's count 2 stars. 1, 2. 2 stars. Okay? Okay students, now this time you will count. Okay? Yes, now count these pictures given here. 1, 2. 2 cars. 2 cars. Next, count these. 1, 2. 2 toffees. 2 toffees. Okay students, here I have written 4 numbers over here. From here you have to recognize or find number 2. Okay, so tell me, is this number 2? No. Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2? Tell me students. Yes, this is number 2. So, encircle it like this. Okay students. So students, can you recognize number 2? Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2? Yes, this is number 2. So, encircle number 2 like this. Okay students. Students, here another 4 numbers we have: 4, 2, 6 and 7. So, do you know which number is the number 2? Tell me, is this number 2? No. Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2? Yes, this is number 2. And circle it like this. This is number 2. So students, now let's do the activity. Here you have to encircle number 1 and 2. Okay. Now, first part. Here we have numbers 7, 1, 3 and 2. Now here you have to encircle number 1 and 2. Okay students. Which number is this? Yes, 7. Which number is this? Yes, 1. So encircle number 1. Which number is this? Yes, 3. No, next. Which number is this? Yes, 2. Encircle number 2 like this. Now come to the next. In second, we have numbers 2, 9, 7, 1. Okay students. Now tell me which number is this? Yes, 2. So 2, encircle it. Good. Next, which number is this? Yes, 9. This is 9. Next, which number is this? 7. Yes. Which number is this? 1. So, encircle number 1. Good. Next. In third, we have numbers 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay. Now tell me, which number is this? 3. Okay. Which number is this? 2. Yes. Encircle number 2. Very good. Next. Which number is this? Yes. 1. Encircle number 1. Right. Good. Next. Here numbers we have 6, 1, 5, 2. Okay. Tell me, which number is this? Yes, 6. Which number is this? 1. So encircle number 1. Which number is this? Yes, 5. And last, which number is this? Yes, 2. So encircle. Okay. And the last numbers we have 1, 8, 2, 1. Okay students. Now tell me, which number is this? Yes, 1. Encircle number 1. Can you recognize this number? This is number 8. Yes. Now tell me, which number is this? Yes, 2. Encircle it. And last, which number is this? Yes, 1. This also encircle it. Very good, students. Now students, you have learned how to write number 1 and 2, right? So let's write 1 and 2 together. Okay? Okay, how to write 1? Start at the top and straight down. 1. And how to write 2? Yes. Make a curve, go to the down and make a sleeping line. 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Got it, students? Okay. And you have to practice these two numbers, 1 and 2. Okay? So students, now let's recall forward counting from 1 to 20. Forward counting from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. So students, this is your 5th assignment. Okay, so first you will write down the date. After that, write homework. Then after that, write and circle all number 2. Okay, here you have to find or recognize number 2 and encircle it. Okay, students, on page number 6 and on page number 7, here you will write number 2. TWO, 2. 1, 2. 2 fingers. And there are 2 kings. 1, 2. How to write 2? Make a curve, go to the down and make sleeping line. Yes. Okay. Again, here you have to trace the number. Okay, students? What will you do? Make a curve, go to the down and make a sleeping line. Yes. Again, make a curve, go to the down and make a sleeping line. So, you will trace the number. Okay. And on page number 7 here, you have to trace and write number 2. You can color it. Okay. And here, now you can see there are 2 types of water animals. Recognize and color them. Okay. Students, can you recognize the water animals? There are 2 types of water animals. First is fish and other is octopus. Very good. And you have to color it. Okay, students? So students, that's all for today. Till then, keep practicing. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.